The Valmet Fiber Technology Center in Inkeroinen is a global benchmark for pulp drying research and development. Our full-scale pilot environment lets you test new pulp grades, validate ideas, and simulate rebuilds in real production-like conditions without disrupting your own operations or risking investment decisions. Our flexible wet end line supports multiple forming section setups, including Fordrino, top former, and gap former. A movable headbox allows us to match your wire table length and process requirements. The press section includes 2 shoe presses, a long nip press, a combi press, and a lump breaker. This allows variable combinations of different presses for optimal performance. Fast and reliable analysis from our in-house laboratory provides immediate, data-driven insights for your development work. Together with our expert support, you get clear and reliable results that support decision-making and reduce project risk. Valmet's pulp drying pilot plant enables you to meet growing industry demands for quality, reliability, and efficiency. Together, we can develop the optimal solution to move your performance forward.